Right now, there is a hard boundary between the physical world and the digital one. To answer a complex question, you often have to stop what you're doing, look down, and disengage from your environment to consult a screen. Google is attempting to lower that boundary with a conversational search experience called Ask YouTube. It allows for more nuanced queries, like asking for specific tips on teaching a child to ride a bike, rather than relying on rigid keywords. The system compiles the most relevant information from both long-form tutorials and shorts across the entire platform, providing a single, structured response that you can interact with. Search is evolving from a list of flat results into an active partner. By synthesizing different video formats into a direct answer, the goal is to remove the friction that usually comes with discovering and learning new skills. But for this intelligence to be truly fluid, it has to move off the screen and into our natural field of vision. The next milestone for Android XR brings this capability directly to intelligent eyewear. This hardware takes two forms: audio glasses that provide spoken assistance in your ear, and display glasses that project visual information exactly when you need it. To make these devices something people actually want to wear, Google partnered with Samsung, with Warby Parker, and Gentle Monster. The engineering focus is on the scale of millimeters, prioritizing a balance between sophisticated technology and traditional fashion aesthetics. The design intent is to move away from clunky gadgets and toward a personal accessory. By using the rebellious and emotive design language of high-end eyewear, the goal is to make the wearer feel a sense of confidence in the tech, rather than feeling burdened by it. These glasses are built to help users see and understand the world more deeply. By weaving Gemini's intelligence into the frame, the technology acts as a subtle lighter that augments your own senses. As these digital overlays become more responsive and visually integrated into our surroundings, the line between our natural perception and the AI's interpretation begins to blur. It raises a critical question: how will we distinguish what is physically there from what the glasses are showing us? Navigating a world where AI-generated content is seamlessly integrated requires a persistent layer of authenticity that works behind the scenes. This is why Google developed SynthID. It embeds imperceptible signals directly into AI-generated images, video, and audio, creating a permanent record of origin. SynthID avoids visible watermarks, instead weaving a structural cryptographic pattern through the underlying digital blocks. Users check this hidden layer via tools like Google Lens, asking, "Is this AI generated?" to identify the pattern and verify the source. By functioning as a silent digital immune system, SynthID allows for the instant verification of 50 million pieces of content globally, with that capability now expanding into Search and Chrome. Flagging what is synthetic is only one part of the solution. To maintain trust, there also needs to be a way to prove when a piece of media is an unaltered record of physical reality. This is handled by C2PA content credentials. It is a standard used to verify if an image or video is an original, unmodified file captured directly from a camera. This timeline tracks the media's lifecycle. Starting at the moment of capture, C2PA documents exactly when a file was created and what tools, if any, were used to modify it later. SynthID and C2PA work in tandem to create a dual-layered protocol. One identifies the synthetic, while the other provides a mathematical proof for the authentic. Digital media is rarely confined to one platform. It travels across the web constantly. Because of this, a verification tool is only effective if it's adopted by the entire industry. This is why interoperability is the goal. Companies like OpenAI, Kakao, and ElevenLabs are now bringing SynthID technology to their own content, creating a shared foundation of transparency across different networks. This broad infrastructure is what makes wearing intelligent eyewear a viable experience. It provides a back end of trust that ensures the information being whispered in your ear or displayed on your lens is verifiable. The future of AI is moving toward total invisibility, where technology augments our senses, while a quiet network of verification ensures we can always identify the source of what we see and hear.